Hi, Melissa here. How's everyone doing? Thanks so much for all of the comments and subscribers and likes. I reached 10,000 subscribers just a few days ago, so I'm super excited and I want to thank you all so much. I'm going to show you how we make our famous foil dinners. Please comment about how you do yours. There's plenty of things you can add to them, but this is how the Morgans do it at Morgans Off The Leash. Welcome back, Melissa here from Morgans Off The Leash. We are gonna make, can you guess? Okay, so we have a fire. Ground meat, carrots, potatoes, onions, some seasoning, and foil. Yes, you guessed it, foil dinners. Okay, the potatoes, I wiped off with a damp cloth. I'm gonna peel them and then rinse them off and slice them up in chunks. Okay, so the potatoes are peeled and chopped. And next we're going to chop up the onions. This is one whole onion chopped, and I'm not sure I'm going to chop this. In fact, while I was chopping the onion, I handed several slices to Hunter. He loves onions, wants onion. Okay, next, carrots. I'll show you. Here's the ground meat in a bowl. I'm gonna season it. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle the Grill Master Montreal from McCormick's in the meat with a little bit of garlic powder and then the salt and pepper. Each individual puts their own on as they make their own foil dinner. All right, I'm gonna make mine and Mike's and put them in the fire, and everybody else will make their own. I know my daughter-in-law Kate and my son Levi love to put barbecue sauce on their meat. The rest of us have not done that, but we. Okay. You might want to bring, if you're going to do this outside, you might want to have a bowl of soapy water. Just an idea. I have the burger into a patty shape, salt and pepper, some onions. Actually, I'm going to do a lot of onions because this one I'll make for Hunter. He loves onions. Carrots, not so much. In fact, that's probably too much. And then the potatoes. There, that should be good for him. All right. I'm going to take this foil, just fold it up. I'm guessing a lot of you have probably done this already, no particular way. I know when the kids fold theirs, they like to fold some unique way so they know which one's theirs. I brought out a black Sharpie so we can all write our names on them. And John, thanks so much. He sent us a big box of Sharpies, which I love. I love Sharpies. When I was a little girl, I loved to get Crayola crayons and just stare at them. But I did love to color. I still love to color. Okay. You fold up the ends like so. And the folded side that you started folding is going to be up. So that when the burger cooks and there's some grease coming out, it'll sizzle, but it won't run out into the fire. So I'm going to write Hunter's name A lot of motorcycles out today. Okay, Hunter, yours is first. Hot coals like this. And depending on how hot your coals are from your fire, depends on how long it's gonna take. You don't wanna flip them over because of the fold. The grease will leak out. You're just gonna leave the meat cook up from the bottom into the onions, carrots, and potatoes. And having these tongs are helpful. The big industrial kind that you use for a grill, they're too heavy and sharp, so they had poked through our foil. So these handy dandy, they're just like scissor tongs, work great. Can't use the rubbery ones that are coated for the kind you use in your kitchen, because of course the rubbery coating on the tong will melt. But these work out great to just grab them, squeeze them together, and you can move them around. We have 4 more of these foil dinners going in. Okay, I did mine, Mike's, and Hunter's and put it in the fire. Eva and Hannah are next up. They're gonna make theirs. I asked them. Hunter, how's it going? You waiting for dinner? You excited? Just pull these out, and I'm gonna scrape it out of the foil onto the plate. I actually like to eat mine out of the foil. Eva, looks good.
Yep.
Okay, try it and see.
Oh. Good.
Good? Hunter, how do you like yours? Good? Okay, this is daughter-in-law Kate. She made these ones with the barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce, hamburger, onions, potatoes, carrots. Hey, I'm here with daughter-in-law Kate. Almost ate, loved it. Kate, what do you think?
It's so good.
All right, there you have it. Those are the foil dinners that you can throw on a campfire, put them in the hot coals. I will list the ingredients in the description. It's simple. You need foil, ground meat, onions, potatoes, and carrots are what we use. And then any seasonings you like to put on. And Kate loves to put barbecue sauce on hers. All right, so share these with your friends if you'd like. Click like, thumbs up is the like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks. Okay, so that was our dinner, and Eva and I jumped on the electric bikes, came out to the mini cabin, and we're watching the sunset. So thanks so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. I really, really appreciate it. You're gonna see me with a hat on for, I'm not sure how much longer, but you know, the stay home, the pandemic we're all surviving. It's going well. I like our home-centered lifestyle, except no one in the home is a beautician. So I do have the coloring to do my roots, and that's going to be depending on who I can get help me to do my roots. But until then, I'm going to just keep wearing a hat. Let me show you this. How does this, we are out on the trail. I brought the electric bike and the dogs came along. Let's see if I can get them in the video. What do you think of that? Well, I did learn that it's hard to hold the phone and take off on this thing. It's fast. Ready, Piper?